Hi, today in front of me OPPO A16S and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second with a simple touch on the power key button. I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it and it's worked correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN codes unlock method. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.